Hi, welcome to this lesson. I'm going to teach you how to create a pivot table like this in Excel. To start, we're going to use this database with 7 columns. We're going to select all columns. Then we go to Insert and then Pivot Table from Table or Range. Here is selected. Now we can create a new worksheet or another existing. We're going to select this option. In this case, location, I want to put here. Okay. Now we have our fields. Many variables. I want to put in rows, dates, this one, registration dates in rows. You can see in that way. If you prefer, you can delete or remove those fields to see just date, remove field. You will see like this. In columns, I will put gender, and I need to account how many I have for each date. So I'm going to take number in values. Now I'm going to count. So select here, value field settings, and count. Okay. Now I have the number of registers for each day. Here is the total. Yes. Now I can add a filter, for example, for zones. I can select here, it depends on the zone, or I can add another filter, for example, age. Yeah, I can play with those. The age and zone, for example, zone 12. Okay. And the age, for example, 10 years. All for this lesson. Please follow my channel. See you next time.